Hello everyone, this is Hassan from Mouthful Economics. In this video, we'll talk about multiplication between two matrices. Multiplication between two matrices. Say A is a matrix with a dimension of n by n, and B is a matrix with dimension of k by l. In order to multiply, n should be equal to k. What does it mean? It means that if we consider A to be the first matrix and B to be the second matrix, the number of columns of first matrix should be equal to the number of rows of second matrix. We can write number of columns of the first matrix should be equal to the number of rows of the second matrix. In case of multiplication between two matrices, order matters. Again, for example, if C is a matrix and D is a matrix, say C has a dimension of m by k, but D has the dimension of L by m, we can't multiply C with D if k is not equal to L. So we can write can't multiply, but we can find out D multiplied by C, L by m, whereas C has a dimension of m by k. Now, how we multiply any two matrices and what will be the dimension of the result matrix if multiplication is possible? Again, let us assume that A is a matrix with a dimension of m by n and B is a matrix with dimension of k by l, and here n is equal to k. So we can multiply and find out A, B, and the dimension of the result matrix will be m by l. What does it mean? It means that the result matrix, if multiplication is possible, will have m number of rows, that means number of rows of first matrix, and l number of columns, that means number of columns of second matrix. And if multiplication is not possible, then we can't multiply. Now let me make some space and do some examples. So say for example, A is a matrix 301,212 and B is a matrix, the dimension of A matrix is 2 by 3, and B is a matrix, say 3, 2, 1, 2, 4, 2. So this has a dimension of 3 by 2, as there are 3 rows and 2 columns. Here multiplication is possible because number of columns of first matrix is equal to number of rows of second matrix. So we want to find out A, B, and the matrix that we will have 2 rows and 2 columns. So write down the first matrix twice. The number of columns second matrix has 3, 0, 1, 2, 1, 2. Again 3, 0, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now take this column of the second matrix and write into 3 into 2 into 1. So you have just made it horizontal. Again, repeat it into 3, into 2, into 1, and put pluses here. Plus, plus, plus. Now take the second column, into 2, into 4, into 2, into 2, into 4, into 2, plus, 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 plus. So the result will be 3 multiplied by 3, 9, plus 0, plus 1, 6, plus 2, plus 2, and here we'll have 6, plus 0, plus 2, and here we'll have 4, plus 4, plus 4. Now we'll have 10 as the first element, 10 as the second element, 8 as third element, and 12 here. Now let us do another example. Say a equal to 3, 2, 1, 4, 2, 0, and b equal to 2, 1, 2, 0, 0, 2, 1, and 0. So A is a 3 by 2 matrix and B is a 2 by 4 matrix. So if we want to find out A multiplied by B, it will be equal to a matrix with 3 rows and 4 columns. So here now we'll write down the first matrix 4 times. So 3, 2, 1, 4, 2, 0. Again, second time 3, 2, 1, 4, 2, 0. Third time 3, 2, 1, 4, 2, 0. Fourth time 3, 2, 1, 4, 2, 0. Now take the first column of the second matrix, make it horizontal, into 2, into 0. Again repeat it, into 2, into 0, into 2, into 0, plus, plus, plus. Take the second column, into 1, into 0, into 1, into 0, into 1, into 0, plus, plus, plus. Take the third column, into 2, into 2, into 2, into 2, into 2, into 2, plus, plus, plus. Take the fourth column, into 1, into 0, into 1, into 0, into 1, into 0. So we will have plus, plus, plus. Therefore the result will be, here we'll have 6, here we'll have 4, and here we'll have 2. For the second column we will have first element 3, second element 2, third element 1. For the third column we will have 14, 8, and 2, and for fourth column we will have 3, 2, and 1. This will be the result. If we do another example, here we have A equal to 3, 2, 1, 4 to 0, and I, which is an identity matrix, which is equal to say 1 0 0 1. So this is a 3 by 2 matrix and this is a 2 by 2 matrix. The resulting matrix for AI will be equal to a matrix where there are 3 rows and 2 columns. 3 rows and 2 columns. Now we'll write down A matrix twice. 3 2 1 4 2 0, and here we'll write it again. 3 2 1 4 2 0. Now we'll take the first column, make it horizontal, into 1 into 0 into 1 into 0 into 1 into 0, plus plus plus. Here we'll take the second column, into 0 into 1 into 0 into 1 into 0 into 1, plus plus plus. Now the result will be obviously a matrix. This will be 3 2 1, and this will be 4 2 0. See here, the result is actually equal to A. Always remember that if you multiply any matrix with an identity matrix, and if multiplication is possible, you will always get the matrix as result which you are multiplying with an identity matrix. So we can write this is all for now. Don't forget to practice. There is one disclaimer though, not a native English speaker, therefore following my grammar and pronunciation is subject to tremendous risk. Anyway, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Want to learn more? Follow the link in the description below. Bye bye.